Hey guys, today we are going to start a new subject, managerial economics. Let us first discuss the definition of managerial economics. Managerial economics, in general sense, it is a combination of management and economics for rational decision making in a business. जब हम मैनेजमेंट अपनी मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स को इकोनॉमिक्स टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, then we get the rational economic decision in business, and as a result we get profit, which is the basic objective of a business. As we already had economics subject, why there is a need of managerial economics and how it is emerged as a subject. Emergence of managerial economics. It has three factors. Growing complexity of business environment, which leads to rapid increase in large scale industries, new use of new technologies, innovations that leads to diversification of business activities, more competition, enhancing uncertainty. Second factor, increasing application of economic logics, theories, concepts, and tools of economic analysis in our business. Third factor, rapid increase in demand of highly trained manpower with good knowledge of economic concepts. A systematic analysis of market conditions, of business environment, requires collecting large scale data on demand and supply conditions, degree and nature of competition, it is for this reason managerial economics has emerged as an important aspect of management studies. As we have already discussed managerial economics, its meaning, and why there is a need a subject like managerial economics. Now, question arises: why and how economic theories and analytical tools are applied to find a solution to business problems. Let us discuss. First let us discuss what are main business decision areas. Choice of business area, in which locality, city we want to start a business. Choice of product, age group, which age group we are targeting. टारगेट क्या है हमारा कि हम कौन से एज ग्रुप के लिए हम वो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करेंगे. टेक्नोलॉजी, फैक्टर कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट मीन्स कि टेक्नोलॉजी अगर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो टेक्नोलॉजी हम कौन सी यूज़ करेंगे, लेबर इंटेंसिव या कैपिटल इंटेंसिव. determining optimum output, at what level we get the break even point, because we already know after the break even point the profit starts. Acquisition of inputs, their cost, हमें कहाँ से लेना है, एरिया कहाँ से हमें अवेलेबल होगा, कितना अवेलेबल होगा, उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी पड़ेगी, लेबर, कैपिटल. Now, what are the economic, and to get the solution of these problems, these business decisions, we have to combine economic theories, concepts, principles with quantitative methods. क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड्स कौन कौन से हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं, स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स, मैथमेटिकल टूल्स, गेमिंग थ्योरी. From this combination we will get to achieve a perfect solution to our problem. For example, we have choose the product. हमने एक प्रोडक्ट चूज कर लिया. Now question arises, how much to produce. And this answer to this question we can only get from the mathematical tools via statistical data.